Hi, I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. Today I want to tell you about an artist from Niagara on the Lake, Christine McGrath. She's a glass artist and a screen printer, and she makes these beautiful angels, there's picture frames, there's beautiful stars. Stained glass is one of those products a lot of people ask about, but you just don't see it so much anymore because it's fairly expensive to make, it's hard to find the glass, and it's a lot of work. So we just don't see as much. So Christine has kind of adapted what she does by making these beautiful glass pieces and putting fabric inside to make the beautiful designs. She originally was using Japanese paper, but she really wanted a little more freedom with actually being able to create her own designs, so she's been taking fabric and screen printing the images onto it. And so that really makes it a beautifully handcrafted item right from start to finish. And they're beautiful little pieces, really well done. Every one is a little different, all unique. It's a double layer of glass. So she has these beautiful little angels, these stars, there's little moons, you know, love you to the moon and back kind of theme. These are little kind of like acorns. Again, beautiful, beautiful fabrics that she uses in there and designs that she puts together for them. They sparkle a little bit, so they're really gorgeous pieces. Night lights as well, so lots of things to choose from. Thanks for joining me on The Garden Gate. We'll see you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.